It is Friday night, and for dinner tonight is going to be Italian chicken. What you're going to need is 2 cans of green beans, drained. I have about 5 potatoes, peeled and chopped. You don't have to peel them, but my son doesn't like the peel, so I do. Packet of Italian seasoning. I have 3 tablespoons of butter, chopped up or cubed. The recipe calls for more than that, but I think that that's too much. And then, of course, you need 2 chicken breasts. I already have mine in the pan cut up, and my oven is preheated to 350. So what you're gonna do is layer your green beans. Got some juice in them. And then you are going to place your potatoes on the other side. And then you're going to place your butter all around. And you're going to sprinkle on your Italian seasoning. Then you place oil over it. And you put it in the oven for an hour. Quick and easy dinner. It is Monday night, and for dinner tonight we are just having leftovers. We are having chicken Alfredo pasta bake with a side salad. It is Tuesday, and for dinner tonight it is going to be chicken Philly cheesesteaks. So in my crock pot I have 3 chicken breasts sliced. I'm going to add in 1 cup of chicken broth, and in the cup of chicken broth there's 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. I'm going to add that in there. My chicken breast is still a little frozen. And to that we're going to add a half a teaspoon of pepper and half a teaspoon of garlic. Okay, the chicken has cooked for 6 hours. I stirred it up and then I layered the provolone on it. And now it's gonna cook for 10 more minutes. So this is it all done. Pretty juicy. And I just plated it with the sourdough roll. So let's try it. It is Wednesday night, and for dinner tonight we're having fiesta turkey tortilla soup. So I have 3 cups of turkey just chopped up. We're going to add in 4 cans using the 33% less sodium. I'm going to add in 1 can of corn, drained. One can of black beans, rinsed and drained. and a half a cup of salsa. I'm just using the salsa from Costco. You're gonna stir it up and you're gonna bring it to a boil. This is a good way to use up any leftover holiday turkey. You can even use chicken in it. Okay, now we'll wait for it to boil. Okay, our soup came to a boil, so now we are going to reduce the heat to medium. And we are going to let it simmer for 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. I also added in some dried cilantro. Recipe calls for fresh, but it was out. So we just threw in a little bit of dried. Okay, our soup is done, and I'm just adding a side of sourdough bread with it. And the recipe tells you how to make homemade tortilla strips, but I'm taking the easy way and I'm just using the tortilla strips out of the bag. I'm just going to add a couple in there, and dinner is done. It is Thursday night and we are having easy oven fajitas tonight. So I'm starting with this pepper stir fry mix with bell peppers and onions in it. I have 3 chicken breasts sliced. I'm just going to put them over the bell peppers and onions. I'm going to use about 1/4 cup of olive oil. I'm going to use about 1/4 cup of taco mix seasoning. And sprinkle it over the top. And mix it up. And it's going to go in the oven for 35 and here are our fajitas plated up. I just have some refried beans, made some Spanish rice. I just used this core bag because it's what I had in the cabinet. Had some shredded cheese, a few olives, and we got some berries on the side. Oh, that's dinner.